This is a demonstration of some hardware and software that I have developed for Wikispeed to allow them to monitor the sensors in their prototype car and also have the sensors actually control certain functions in the car. Here we have the Arduino, which is the basis for the circuit, and some resistors which are also part of the circuit. Here we have a radiator coolant temperature sensor, which I will be using for these tests. This is an actual sensor just like the ones used in the car. And here I have a potentiometer that I'm using to simulate the gas tank sensor. The Arduino can be connected to the computer by the USB port, and then you can run the software which I have developed. You can see the icon has a couple of little cars here, and you bring it up, it automatically locates the COM port that the USB is connected on. Now, to check the radiator temperature, you can click on this button, and that will query the circuit and ask for what the current temperature reading. As you can see, it's now approximately room temperature. You can check the gas level. The gas tank is 99.8% full, and you can also check a digital readout, which I'm simply using to demonstrate that this can be done. You can use this to monitor whether something is on or off in the car. And instead of pushing the buttons individually, if you like, you can have the program automatically scan. So now it is repeatedly sending queries to the Arduino for information. You can see the little serial lights flashing here. Now I'm going to go and get some hot water to pour in the cup with the sensors, and then we will demonstrate the change in the temperature. I'll be right back. I am now back with some hot water, which I'm going to pour in the cup with the sensor, and I'm going to observe the change in the temperature as the sensor warms up to the temperature of the water. You can see the temperature reading climbing. It's now stabilized at the temperature of the water, 198 degrees Fahrenheit. Also on the board you can see this LED has lit up. I've programmed the Arduino to turn on one of the pins when the temperature gets above a certain temperature. This can be used to indicate a warning light on the dashboard, or even turn on a fan when the temperature gets hot enough. Now I'm going to turn the potentiometer to demonstrate the gas tank being drained here. So you can see now 51.3% full, and so this would show how much gas you have in the tank, down to 1.2% full. And also I can activate the digital readout here. This indicates that something has just gone on and off in the car, such as the fan or some other device in the car. You can see that the gas level is apparently fluctuating a little bit. I may have a little bit of a loose connection here. And that concludes our demonstration of the sensor monitor for the Wikispeed car.